Hey everyone, Alex from Nerds Being Geeks, and I got a mini midweek mail call from Bird City Comics. Before we get into the video, I want to let everyone know that Nerds Being Geeks has an Instagram. If you're not already following it, just post pictures every day of my collection. No speculation, just comic book accumulation. So like I said in the intro, this is a mini episode, it's a midweek mail call. Just a short video. This came in the mail, and I wanted to do a video on it real quick because I'm very excited to open it, and I wanted to open it, on camera, share it with you guys. So this is from Bird City Comics. This is a Bird City Comics exclusive, and they also teamed up with Comicswithbueller. And like he needs any introduction, he is a big name in the comic book community. But if you haven't heard of Comicswithbueller, I suggest go checking him out. Great content every week, and I watch it every week. So I'm very excited. I want to crack this open and talk about it real quick. So here we go. It's in a Gemini mailer condition. It's got a small little dent up here, but that's part of the protection. No damage to the box, so awesome so far. It's a new book that just came out. It's really hot. About 50 different variant covers for it, but it's a fan favorite character. There is the Disney Plus series coming, so he just keeps getting hotter and hotter. And what it is Moonknight #1. Hopefully that's not, can't tell with the glare, so have fun. If you can't see it, I'll post a picture after. But this is this cover really drew me in. And it's like a very heavy mythology cover, like Egyptian mythology. I'm going to put the name of the artist down below because I don't want to mispronounce it because I can't say it. But this cover is insane. They also had like the Virgins, like guaranteed 9.8s, but I got 2 copies, one for me and one for my brother-in-law because he's a big Moonknight fan. He got me started on Moonknight, and just kind of like a nice little gift. All right, everyone, so that was my midweek mini mail call video. Short and sweet, but I really wanted to show this book off because I absolutely love this cover. I picked up another issue of it, just whatever was on the newsstand that day, but that'll be my reader's copy. This one I want to display. I got like a Moonknight Marvel Legends figure. I really want to show it off with that. It is a very cool cover. I believe Bird City Comics still has some. Don't quote me on that because I'm not sure, but that's where I got it from. But I suggest if you like this cover, go and order it. It is such a sick ass cover. So glad I ordered it. Probably one of my favorite covers of the year, along with maybe like that Peach Momoka Black Panther cover. But man, it's just a sick cover. All right, thanks for watching this Nerds Being Geeks video. Please like, share, and subscribe. We're getting closer to 250 at the point of this recording. And Instagram is popping. And yeah, go over there, check it out. And comics. Thanks for watching.